Hi there guys, if you're new here, I'm the Grey Gardener. So my mower that I used last year, in my first year in gardening, I bought for 60 quid. It was a push mower, and it used to get me a lot of ridicule on some of my earlier videos, and I defended it. I still defend it. I got attached to it, and but now anyway, I bought a new one. So I don't even know what the last one was. I'm sure it said Champion written on. It's a Briggs Stratton engine. Let's call it a Briggs Stratton Champion. I don't know. But 60 quid push mower lasted us all year, all through the cutting season rather, and didn't let us down once. So I'm still going to defend it. And the odd time, it still gets a little run out, especially like when I do my mums and that, and it's just nice and lightweight. So I don't use it often. Maybe a couple of times a month, maybe something like that. But just to keep it going, really, because it's me spare as well. So I don't want it to stand, stand still for. I'll leave it off. What am I even talking about? For too long. So anyway, so what mower did I buy then? So loads of yous were telling us what mowers you've got, and obviously everyone was saying you need a self-propelled one, and I was like, yeah, like I do know, but when I was starting out, obviously, like I got some second-hand gear, some new gear, and budget was a bit of a thing. Obviously, this year I haven't gone crazy. I spent, I think it was 380 or 360 quid on a mower, and obviously, I watch some guys on here and they're spending like over 1,000 quid, and I'm not quite there yet. I would like to know the difference. I would like to use one of those mowers and just say like how good it is for the price. If I'm paying an extra 1,000 quid than what I've already paid, does it feel like 1,000 quid's worth type of thing? That would be interesting. So a couple of you might have seen a few videos that I put out with my new mower on. So it's a Cobra. One of my subscribers, it's an 18-inch by the way as well. My old one was a 16-inch. This one's a little bit bigger. I didn't want to go any bigger because then it would be heavier, and this is just light enough to maneuver in my smaller gardens, and I was quite conscious of not being able to like shift the thing around type of thing, and I think I've made the right choice. It's heavier obviously, but it's maneuverable, shall we say. So yeah, so I'm happy with it. I've used it for, well, we're nearly in May now, so I've used it for a good couple of months, and yeah, I'm really pleased with it, to be fair. It makes a hell of a difference. I've done a video on one of my biggest gardens. It's just a grass cut, so I've compared it with my push mower and this new mower, and I've just sort of seen how much time it knocks off kind of thing. So I'll link that below. You can have a look at that and see it in action. But yeah, it's just nice. Obviously, it saves a lot of wear on your body and your back especially, and it's quite pleasant to do a lawn with it. You just obviously you press the handle in and you're just away, and you just walk nicely behind it in the nice sun. Hopefully, anyway, it's raining at the minute, like, but yeah, it's quite pleasurable, especially on the bigger lawns, and yeah, I'm really pleased with it. So there'll be a few years will be saying he's finally done it. Still defending me old one, mind. You do become attached. It's a bit strange, really, isn't it? But yeah, that's my trusty little spare now, and someone did recommend it, the Cobra, because it is sort of a budget one, by the way, as well. It's obviously, I haven't paid hundreds and hundreds, so over 1,000 quid. I think it was 380 quid. So it is kind of on your lower end, but I had paid up to get a Briggs Stratton engine in it, so that it's got a Briggs Stratton engine. I could have paid a little bit less and got a Cobra engine, but as I say, the one last year, like and Briggs Stratton's a good make of engine, isn't it? So I was quite happy to pay a little bit more with that little bit more, peace of mind type of thing. And the guys who I bought it from, the dealers of Cobra gear, and they get parts delivered every week, and they said if you have any bother, just fetch it in and we'll sort it out for you, no problem. So yeah, I was quite happy. The level of service hopefully should be pretty decent as well if anything should go wrong. So thanks everyone for recommending your own mowers and stuff. I genuinely have read through them all and checked most of them out. it's my second year, as I keep saying. I'm still building. I bought the steel combi unit and all the different attachments. So that set us back. How much was that? That was about £1,000. Bought the van. Prices of vans are sky high at the minute, so I've invested. I've invested quite a lot this season, and obviously you end up buying bits and pieces as you go. So didn't want to spend an absolute fortune on my mower, but I think I've got decent value for money, and yeah, as I say, I'm happy with it. So I'll leave that one there, guys. Thanks again, massively appreciate everyone's comments and views, and it's fantastic. I learned so much from you. If you're new, subscribe, that'd be great, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers, bye.